Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to share a TikTok account through Messenger. If you want to share your favorite TikTok accounts with your friends using Messenger, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the account's page that you want to share. You can do this by searching for the account's username or by scrolling through your TikTok feed. Once you're on the account's page, look for the arrow icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the arrow icon, and a menu will appear with different options. From the menu, select Messenger. This will redirect you to the Messenger app if you have it installed on your device. Step 4. Once you're in Messenger, choose the contact with whom you want to share the TikTok account. Tap on the Send button next to the contact's name to send the TikTok account link. Sharing a TikTok account through Messenger is a convenient way to share your favorite TikTok content directly with your friends. It allows you to have a more personalized and private sharing experience, connecting with your friends through the power of TikTok. Thank you for watching, and enjoy sharing TikTok accounts with your friends through Messenger.